In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of alchemy, a practice that has captivated minds for centuries, with its promise of transformation and enlightenment. Historically, alchemy was not merely about turning base metals into gold, it represented a profound quest for knowledge and self-discovery. Alchemists sought to understand the fundamental nature of reality, exploring the connections between the physical and spiritual realms. This ancient art laid the groundwork for modern chemistry, yet its true significance lies in its symbolic representation of personal transformation. As we embark on this journey, we will explore how the principles of alchemy can be applied to our own lives, encouraging us to embrace change and seek our highest potential. The process of transformation, akin to the alchemical process of transmuting lead into gold, invites us to reflect on our own experiences and challenges. By understanding the stages of alchemy, calcination, dissolution, conjunction, and more, we can gain insights into our personal growth and the journey towards self-actualization. This video aims to engage and enlighten, inviting you to consider how the ancient wisdom of alchemy can illuminate your path to self-discovery. Join us as we uncover the relevance of alchemy in today's world, revealing how its timeless teachings can inspire us to transform our lives and achieve a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Transformation is a fundamental concept that permeates both nature and the human spirit, serving as a universal process that we observe in countless forms. From the metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a butterfly to the changing seasons, nature exemplifies the beauty and necessity of transformation. This process is not only vital for ecological balance, but also mirrors the journey of personal growth that each individual experiences. Just as elements in nature undergo profound changes, so too do we as human beings face challenges that catalyze our own transformations. The alchemical process, with its stages of change, serves as a powerful metaphor for this journey. In alchemy, the transformation of base materials into gold symbolizes the potential for personal evolution, urging us to refine our inner selves and transcend limitations. This connection between personal transformation and alchemy highlights that the quest for self-improvement is not merely a modern endeavor, it is deeply rooted in ancient wisdom. Alchemy therefore transcends its historical context, emerging as a path to self-discovery and enlightenment. It invites us to explore our inner landscapes, confront our shadows, and embrace the alchemical processes within us. By recognizing that transformation is an inherent part of life, we can approach our own journeys with curiosity and courage, understanding that each challenge we face is an opportunity for growth and renewal. Through this lens, alchemy becomes a guide. The origins of alchemy are steeped in mystery and legend, with many tracing its roots back to the fabled land of Atlantis. This mythical civilization is often associated with advanced knowledge and spiritual wisdom, believed to have influenced the development of alchemical practices. According to various traditions, the teachings of Atlantis were passed down through generations, eventually reaching ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, where they flourished. In these early civilizations, alchemy was not just a scientific pursuit, it was intertwined with spirituality and philosophy, reflecting a deep understanding of the cosmos and the human experience. The Egyptians, in particular, contributed significantly to alchemical thought, with their intricate rituals and symbols that sought to unlock the secrets of transformation. Central to this evolution of alchemical wisdom is the figure of Hermes Trismegistus, a legendary sage often regarded as the father of alchemy. Hermes, a syncretic blend of the Greek god Hermes and the Egyptian god Thoth, is credited with authoring numerous texts that laid the foundation for alchemical philosophy. His teachings emphasize the interconnectedness of all things and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment through the mastery of material transformation. As alchemical knowledge spread across cultures, it evolved, incorporating elements from various traditions while maintaining its core principles. This rich tapestry of influences highlights how alchemy served as a bridge between ancient civilizations, fostering a quest for understanding that resonates even today. Through the lens of alchemy, we can appreciate the profound legacy of these early thinkers and their enduring impact on our quest for knowledge and transformation. The Philosopher's Stone holds a revered place in alchemical tradition, symbolizing the ultimate transformation and enlightenment that practitioners sought to achieve. Often depicted as a mystical substance, the Philosopher's Stone represents the culmination of the alchemical process, where base materials are transmuted into gold, reflecting the profound inner transformation of the alchemists themselves. Beyond its material significance, the stone is intricately linked to the concepts of immortality and the elixir of life, embodying the quest for eternal existence and spiritual transcendence. Alchemists believed that the stone could grant not only physical longevity, but also a deeper understanding of the universe and one's place within it. However, the secrets of the Philosopher's Stone are shrouded in mystery, emphasizing the hidden nature of its true essence. The journey to discover these secrets is as significant as the destination itself, requiring dedication, introspection, and a willingness to confront one's inner darkness. This quest mirrors the alchemical process where each stage, calcination, dissolution, and conjunction, serves as a metaphor for personal growth and self-discovery. The elusive nature of the Philosopher's Stone invites seekers to embark on a transformative journey, encouraging them to look beyond the surface and delve into the depths of their own consciousness. In this way, the Philosopher's Stone transcends its physical representation, becoming a powerful symbol of the alchemical pursuit of enlightenment, urging us to embrace the transformative power within ourselves and the world around us. Alchemy is often described through 7 sacred stages of transformation, each representing a profound aspect of personal growth and self-discovery. The first stage, calcination, involves breaking down the ego and confronting one's limitations, much like the challenges we face in life that force us to reassess our beliefs. Following this is dissolution, where the dissolution of old patterns allows for emotional release and healing, mirroring the process of letting go of past traumas. The third stage, separation, emphasizes the importance of discernment as we learn to identify what truly serves our growth and what does not. This stage reflects the critical moments in life when we must make choices that align with our authentic selves. Next comes conjunction, where the integration of new insights leads to a more holistic understanding of ourselves, akin to the moments of clarity that arise from self-reflection. The fifth stage, fermentation, symbolizes rebirth and creativity, representing the awakening of new potentials within us. This is followed by distillation, where we refine our experiences and wisdom, much like the process of honing our skills and knowledge over time. Finally, the stage of coagulation signifies the realization of our true self, embodying the culmination of our journey toward wholeness. Each of these stages parallels the process of personal development, illustrating that transformation is not merely an end goal, but a continuous journey. By embracing these sacred stages, we can navigate our own paths of self-discovery, ultimately leading to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. In alchemical tradition, the 3 magical principles, sulfur, mercury, and salt, hold profound significance, each representing essential forces in the transformative process. Sulfur symbolizes the active, fiery aspect of creation, embodying passion, will, and the spirit. It is often associated with the soul's drive toward enlightenment and the pursuit of higher aspirations. In the alchemical process, sulfur represents the transformative energy that ignites change, urging individuals to embrace their desires and ambitions. Mercury, on the other hand, embodies the fluid, adaptable nature of consciousness. It signifies the mind and intellect, representing communication, intuition, and the ability to navigate the complexities of life. Mercury's role in alchemy is crucial, as it facilitates the connection between the spiritual and material realms, allowing for the integration of insights and experiences. This principle encourages flexibility and openness, essential for personal growth and understanding. Salt, the third principle, symbolizes stability and the physical body. It represents the material world and the grounding force necessary for transformation. In alchemy, salt is seen as the essence that preserves and solidifies the changes initiated by sulfur and mercury. Together, these 3 principles illustrate the interplay of spirit, mind, and body in the journey of transformation. Balancing sulfur, mercury, and salt is vital for achieving true alchemical transformation. When harmonized, these forces create a holistic approach to personal development, allowing individuals to integrate their passions, intellect, and physical existence. This balance fosters a deeper understanding of oneself and the world, ultimately leading to profound personal evolution and enlightenment. In alchemical practice, the 4 elements, earth, water, air, and fire, play a crucial role, each representing distinct energies in nature that are essential for transformation. Earth embodies stability, grounding, and materiality. It symbolizes the physical realm and the foundation upon which all growth occurs. In the context of personal transformation, Earth encourages us to cultivate resilience and patience, reminding us that true change often requires time and nurturing. Water, representing fluidity and emotion, signifies the subconscious and the depths of our feelings. It is associated with intuition and adaptability, highlighting the importance of emotional healing in the transformative process. By embracing the qualities of water, individuals can learn to navigate their emotional landscapes, allowing for deeper self-awareness and connection to their inner selves. Air symbolizes intellect, communication, and the realm of ideas. It represents the breath of life and the power of thought, emphasizing the significance of clarity and understanding in personal growth. Mastering the qualities of air enables individuals to articulate their visions and insights, fostering a deeper connection with themselves and others. Finally, fire embodies transformation, passion, and energy. It represents the drive for change and the spark of creativity that ignites the alchemical process. Fire encourages individuals to embrace their desires and ambitions, fueling their journey towards self-discovery. Mastering these four elements is essential in alchemical work, as they provide the foundational energies necessary for transformation. By harmonizing earth, water, air, and fire, individuals can achieve a balanced approach to personal growth, ultimately leading to profound inner change and enlightenment. In alchemical teachings, symbols and allegories serve as vital tools for conveying complex ideas and protecting esoteric knowledge. Alchemists often employed intricate symbols to safeguard their insights from those uninitiated in their practices, allowing them to communicate profound truths while maintaining a veil of secrecy. This symbolic language not only preserved their wisdom, but also invited deeper contemplation and interpretation, encouraging seekers to engage with the material on multiple levels. One of the most significant symbols in alchemy is the Ouroboros, the serpent or dragon eating its own tail. This powerful image represents the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth, embodying the concept of eternal transformation. The Ouroboros signifies the unity of opposites, illustrating how endings lead to new beginnings, a core principle in the alchemical process. It serves as a reminder that transformation is an ongoing journey, where each stage is interconnected. Other key symbols, such as the Philosopher's Stone, the four elements, and the alchemical vessel, also play crucial roles in representing stages of transformation. The Philosopher's Stone symbolizes the ultimate goal of alchemy, the attainment of enlightenment and mastery over oneself. The alchemical vessel represents the crucible of personal growth, where raw materials undergo refinement and change. Each symbol encapsulates a specific aspect of the transformative journey, guiding practitioners through the intricate process of self-discovery. By utilizing symbols and allegories, alchemists created a rich tapestry of meaning that continues to inspire and resonate with those seeking personal transformation and deeper understanding of the human experience. The concept of the great work, or magnum opus in alchemy, represents the ultimate quest for transformation and enlightenment, encompassing a journey of profound personal and spiritual growth. This intricate process is traditionally divided into three main stages: Negredo, Albedo, and Rubedo, each symbolizing a critical phase in the alchemical journey. The first stage, Negredo, often referred to as the blackening, signifies the initial phase of dissolution and chaos. In this stage, the alchemist confronts the shadow self, facing inner turmoil and the darker aspects of their psyche. This process of breaking down old beliefs and patterns is essential for personal transformation, as it allows for the release of what no longer serves one's growth. Following Negredo is Albedo, or the whitening, which represents purification and enlightenment. In this stage, clarity emerges as the alchemist begins to integrate insights gained from the previous phase. This process of self-reflection and healing fosters a deeper understanding of oneself, paving the way for spiritual awakening and renewal. The final stage, Rubedo, known as the reddening, symbolizes the culmination of the great work. Here, the alchemist achieves a state of wholeness and enlightenment, embodying the integration of all aspects of the self. This stage represents the realization of one's true nature and purpose, reflecting the ultimate goal of the alchemical journey. Through these stages, the great work serves as a powerful metaphor for personal transformation, guiding individuals toward enlightenment and a deeper connection with the universe. Embracing this journey allows for profound self-discovery and the manifestation of one's highest potential. Alchemy has significantly influenced modern science and psychology, marking a transformative journey from mystical practices to empirical inquiry. As alchemy evolved into chemistry, it laid the groundwork for scientific thought, introducing systematic experimentation and the study of matter. Alchemists' pursuits of understanding the nature of substances and their transformations paved the way for the development of modern chemistry, shaping our comprehension of elements, compounds, and chemical reactions. This transition from the philosophical to the empirical reflects a broader shift in human thought, emphasizing observation and experimentation as the cornerstones of scientific discovery. In the realm of psychology, Carl Jung recognized the profound insights embedded within alchemical symbolism. He interpreted alchemy not merely as a historical practice but as a rich metaphor for personal growth and individuation. Jung viewed the stages of alchemical transformation as reflective of the psychological processes individuals undergo in their quest for self-discovery and wholeness. He believed that the alchemical journey mirrors the inner work necessary to integrate the conscious and unconscious aspects of the self, ultimately leading to greater self-awareness and fulfillment. The ongoing relevance of alchemical teachings in contemporary life is evident as individuals seek meaning and transformation in an increasingly complex world. The principles of alchemy, transformation, balance, and integration continue to resonate, offering valuable insights for personal development and spiritual growth. By embracing these ancient teachings, we can navigate our own journeys of transformation, fostering a deeper understanding of ourselves and our connection to the universe. In this video, we explored the profound significance of transformation and the timeless teachings of alchemy, emphasizing how these ancient practices can illuminate our paths to personal growth and self-discovery. We delved into the stages of alchemical transformation, from the initial chaos of Negredo to the purification of albedo and the ultimate realization of rubedo. Each stage serves as a powerful metaphor for our own journeys, encouraging us to confront our shadows, embrace change, and strive for enlightenment. As you reflect on your own experiences, consider how the principles of alchemy resonate with your life. What transformations have you undergone, and how can you apply these teachings to foster further growth? The journey of self-discovery is ongoing, and by embracing the lessons of alchemy, you can unlock your potential and deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. We invite you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to explore and share related topics that inspire transformation and personal development. Join our community as we delve deeper into the mysteries of alchemy and its relevance in contemporary life. Together, let's embark on this journey of exploration and enlightenment, uncovering the secrets of transformation that